How did you like it?
She loved it.
How'd you like it, baby?
She loved the water.
Hey, you smiling?
Yeah.
You smiling?
Good morning, Daddy. Where are we going?
Hey, we are going to the pool to swim.
Yes, we are. It's a hot day. Can't really see her. But it's a hot day, so we're gonna go to the pool and cool off for a little bit. Plus, I've been dying to go swimming. We's about to go swimming, but she's asleep.
Look how cute.
She's always so cute. Let's go, Daddy. This is what we do when we come to the pool. We just chill. Such a pretty baby. Such a good looking man. Way too cold to put Emory in that today. Good thing she's sleeping.
Freezing. Going to jump in now.
Look who's awake! Look who's awake! Hey, baby! Hey! We're at the pool, munchkin! We're at the pool! What the?
Okay, ready? Ready? Ready?
No! Oh!
You think?
Oh my goodness!
Oh!
Thanks, Daddy. Woo!
What'd you do?
Woo! There we go.
Yeah?
Yeah. Woo! Get the water. Get the water. Get the water. Get the water. Woo! Get the water. Get the water. Woo!
How did you like it?
She loved it.
How'd you like
she
it, baby?
loved the water.
Hey, you smiling?
Yeah.
You
Oh,
smiling?
look at that hair. Look at it getting all curly.
Did you love it?
Oh.
Look at her cute bathing suit.
They're showing a bathing suit. Woo! High-waisted like mama.
Oh, and the size 5.
Woo! She's so cute.
I love the pool. You say I love it. Yeah. I love you, baby. I love the pool. Yes. Oh!
Oh, bless you.
She's smiling.
Hi, Sunday. They love the outside. Okay, so we're going home now. It's starting to get really crowded. Literally like a huge van of kids came and we didn't want to.
Yeah, and
Emory
she started
gets splashed and stuff.
She started getting hungry too.
Yeah, and Daddy doesn't like it when I whip out my boobies in public.
But she
I
had
don't
fun
care.
though. She liked it.
Yes, she did. She loved it. She was just chilling in her car seat. I love making her happy.
I love her.
I love her. Okay, so we're back from the pool. And I've ordered a few things and they finally came in. First off, I got bibs for Emory Kate. We got one with cherries and their little bandana bibs, so they're super cute. And they got this like lining on the back that's really soft. And we got strawberries and oranges, and she has watermelons, but she's already worn that one and there's stuff all over it. And then, of course, I love this website called Ruffle Buns. They're bloomers. And check these out. They're so cute. She's got a tank top that'll match these. And these ones are my favorite. They're Minnie Mouse. They're so cute. And then we just got some plain blue ones. And this website's really awesome to order from because they send you all of these gift cards and coupons. You like, look at these. They're all gift cards. And all you have to pay is shipping and handling, which is like $10, $15. And it's so worth it. I'll leave a link for you so you can check these out. Oh, and then I got another package at the post office. I don't order too much, do I, babe? Oh, we got a sleepy baby. The pool wore her out. It's so sweet. Oh, I love her.
Achoo! Achoo!
Aww.
Achoo!
Come on.
She already over it.
Aww. Right before we started recording, he was sneezing on her, or acting like he was sneezing, and she just started laughing. She was like,
Achoo! Achoo!
Okay, guys, so we both have to work tonight, so we're going to go ahead and end it here today.
Enrique Roberts, what
Are
you
you
saying?
saying goodbye to you?
She has to go get babysat again by Granddaddy and Gigi and her Aunt Carson.
Aunt Sissy.
Right. What do
She
you
gets
think?
called Aunt Sissy.
What do you think? Gun baby.
But if you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, always hit that like button, leave us a comment, start sending us some challenges to do.
Why do you think
We'll do
people are
some
gonna do that?
challenges. I don't know. Just think it'd be fun to do. I see it all the time on YouTube.
Yeah, not with us.
Well, we're going to start doing it. But subscribe if you also enjoy. But thank you guys for watching our vlog, and we'll see you in our next video.
If you think it's the cutest baby in the world, you definitely have to subscribe because you get to see more of the cuteness.
Subscribe for her.
Look at that baby.
For this cute
Hey,
girl.
yo. Achoo.
No.
And subscribe to our other channels also. The links will be at the end of the video.
Bye, guys.
No, she has to say more.
Boop.
You did it.
I don't think I hit the stop recording button.
Oh my god, baby. Hit the button.
I tried to.
One more try. Whoop.
I tried to.
Oh my god.
I can't do it. What the heck?